I've got a breaking crypto news alert for all cryptocurrency holders today. There is massive news happening in the crypto industry. In the last few days, we've seen over $1 billion worth of positions in this crypto market liquidated. We have seen the new president of the United States launch a meme coin. It tumbled by billions of dollars and is potentially getting a rebound because of some of the news that I want to share with you guys today regarding the new SEC and a brand new crypto council that could provide some massive catalysts for moves to the upside for Bitcoin, for the altcoins, and the general crypto market, and that may even include the Trump meme coin, which I do want to take a peek at with you guys in this video because it was just listed on Coinbase, Robinhood, and Binance. 3 days in a row it's existed. 1, 2, 3 major exchange listings in a row. And we are getting into what is the biggest bull market ever. Putting that meme aside, it has sucked a lot of liquidity out of the rest of the market. Is that liquidity going to go back into the other altcoins? What's coming up? I'm going to break it down for you guys in this quick crypto update. Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I hope you enjoy these breaking crypto news alert videos that I'm doing for you guys more so lately. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me hop right into this one. So what you're peeking at with the crypto market today, and I had a nice live stream earlier. We had a lot of viewers on our live stream every Monday through Friday at about 11 or 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to check that out and follow us on X for more. Bitcoin is back up today. So on Inauguration Day yesterday, we saw Bitcoin go to 109K, come back down to 100, get a beautiful bounce off that level, which is something that I've called out for the last few weeks, expecting potentially another bounce off 100K since we broke through it, expecting maybe a potential bounce, a sell the news event, if you will, which is exactly what happened. And if you take a peek at what's gone on regarding liquidations, why did this occur? Why did this sell-off occur? Massive liquidations. January 18th, there was $1 billion worth of liquidations between the longs and the shorts. And then on January 19th, you're actually seeing that there was almost 800 million, actually over 800 million worth of longs squeezed out that day and shorts combined. And then today we're calming down a little bit calmer here over the last 24 hours. Now that the inauguration's out of the way, at least. And we saw this meme coin get launched by Trump and the new president, and it went up to $76. Some people were saying on Inauguration Day it's going to go to $100 or $10. Well, it didn't really do either. It came down to $31 the day before inauguration, and on Inauguration Day, it came up a little bit, and now it's kind of dancing around this $42 level, and it's actually coming up a little bit today. Why? Because there's some of the breaking news that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. This is the biggest story, the reason why Bitcoin is coming up again today, in my opinion. Partially, I think also just because now that we've got day one out of the way, what didn't we see on day one? Well, we didn't see Donald Trump come out with a national strategic reserve for Bitcoin. We also did not see him free Ross Ulbricht, the guy who was responsible for the Silk Road website, who is in jail. And many Bitcoiners were expecting President Trump to pardon this Ross individual. Well, he did not do that pardon on day one. He did not approve a national strategic reserve for Bitcoin, which we were all hoping for. And he did not do any crypto tax favors for U.S. citizens looking for some tax breaks on their crypto. But now, just a day later, we are seeing progress and we are seeing some big news that I think is moving these markets up today. If you take a peek at what's going on, according to Bitcoin Magazine, the SEC launched a new task force to create clear regulatory framework for crypto assets. And this is a bunch of jargon to say basically just that, but I do want to highlight the very last part of this document for you guys so you can be aware of it. Let me just go ahead and zoom out a little bit. Well, actually, I'm going to go back down to shrink it a little bit for you guys. So let me shrink this up for you guys a little bit here. If you take a peek at what's going on, zoom back in. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so this undertaking will take time, patience, and much hard work. It will succeed only if the key task force has input from a wide range of investors, industry participants, academics, and other interested parties. The key here is the task force that they're putting together, this crypto council, this task force, is looking to hear from a wide range of investors, industry participants, academics, and other interested parties. What does this mean? This means people like the CEO of crypto.com, potentially the CEO of Binance, the CEO of Kraken, Coinbase, all the different CEOs, Michael Saylor, possibly people from hedge funds like Galaxy Digital, Michael Novogratz, potentially even major crypto YouTubers, people that have been in the space for a long time. You never know exactly who this council is going to get input in. Probably not from the YouTubers, probably more so from some of the big money billionaires that have been in this space, probably from some bankers, probably from some analysts from these banks, probably from people like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs as well, of course. So what we're going to see is what? Not the National Strategic Reserve approved today or tomorrow, perhaps, because they're saying this undertaking will take time. So now what? Now we have to wait. What does that mean for the market? Well, it means a couple things, guys. While we're waiting for the National Strategic Reserve, which I think is probably going to come within the first 100 days of this new presidential administration, this pro-crypto administration, we have a couple pieces of news that we can now kind of buy the rumor on. Still, the National Strategic Reserve. Still, the idea that potentially American-made crypto projects will get tax benefits. This is something that we talked about. But on top of that, now we're going to see potentially these wide range of investors, industry participants coming into the White House, going to Capitol Hill, and meeting with Congress, meeting with Senate, meeting with the president, meeting with the SEC, and figuring out exactly how they do this the right way. Coinbase and other major cryptocurrency players have been waiting for some clear regulatory guidelines, and we are finally about to actually get them. But what I like about this, guys, is that we are not seeing it happen in any kind of rushed manner. We're seeing it happen, what I think, is in some kind of reasonable amount of time. What we're also seeing today is something very interesting and hilarious. Other breaking news is this morning I woke up to see that there are actually ETFs being submitted for the Trump ETF, for the Ethereum ETF. Well, the big ones are Trump, Bonk, and Doge. These are big surprises, big curveballs, and so we might even have meme coin ETFs now with our pro-crypto president, which frankly wouldn't be surprising to me because here's an article from CNBC. Think about how crazy this article is. Trump meme coins gives green light for crypto industry to return to the days of new tokens and NFT bubble. And so maybe it's an NFT bubble, maybe it's a meme coin bubble, maybe this is one of the biggest meme coin bull runs we've ever seen. If you've been participating in meme coins by now, I'm sure you've learned that they are extremely risky and you must be careful when you're trading meme coins. But I'm going to tell you guys this. Every bit of news that happens regarding this president, this administration, and crypto, I think that it is going to affect the price of this Trump meme coin, and it is certainly going to affect the price of Bitcoin. I think that I am bullish on this Trump meme coin still. With that being said, there could be some insane profit taking being taken place with this coin. But I'll tell you, if you guys want to trade this and enter this whole new territory of risk regarding this presidential meme coin, you could sign up for Blowfin. They have it listed and you can do some leverage trading on this coin if that's something that you do want to do. I think they have up to 10x leverage on this coin if that's something you want to do. This is a very risky play, guys. You got to be careful with this stuff, but you could sign up for Blowfin if you want to trade around a little bit. Big breaking news today. We've got meme coin ETFs in the pipeline. We've got green light because of this presidential meme coin launch for the crypto industry to return to our NFT and meme coin mania bubble phase, according to CNBC. And the biggest piece of news is most certainly this idea surrounding the SEC and this crypto council of sort that is going to be meeting with people in this industry. And if you want to see what's going down, what's happening during these meetings, who they're meeting with, well, follow us at the Crypto Report for more content because we are going to keep you posted on all of this and more, guys. To take a peek at the charts very quickly, I do want to show you guys something that I'm seeing, which is very interesting. Bitcoin dominance is climbing up, and we might see this to continue with a couple altcoins that are going to be the outliers because we're still waiting for the National Strategic Reserve. I did a video by my fireplace for you guys the other night talking about when this National Strategic Reserve is approved, it could cause Bitcoin dominance to break out. We have not seen it yet approved. Bitcoin dominance, I think, is breaking out in anticipation for that news. And it's going to be very hard to say where this is going to go, but certainly we should at very least meet resistance at some point at 60%. Just because this trend line was very strong for us in the past. If I had to take a guess, I think that 60% dominance would be our peak for Bitcoin, unless this cycle is going to be different as a result of this National Strategic Reserve news. But I still think that we are early on altcoins. And as this total market cap continues to explode, Meme coins, altcoins, whether it's SWI, HBAR, Cardano, Crocoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, as this thing continues to break through and go past 3.5 trillion, I think we can go all the way maybe even to $10 trillion in this bull market for our total market cap, leaving a ton of opportunities to make money on altcoins, on meme coins, and even on Bitcoin, guys. That's the breaking news for you guys today. That's all I have for you in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. Do me a favor, smash a like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, hodl, my friends, and of course, I will see you in the next one. 2 videos right here if you want to check them out. I'll see you in the next one, y'all. And by the way, check out our live streams Monday through Friday at about 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Peace, y'all.